Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ferdian Chandra Adi Saputra. I will present the result of my assessment. What I have in this material is a way to repair a vehicle damaged by a flood. The main enemy faced during the rainy season is flooding. Several big cities in Indonesia which are quite prone to flooding due to drains or drainage that are no longer able to accommodate the overflow load of water are due to the less than ideal city arrangement with irregular buildings. But not only for the discomfort we feel when facing flood, but for our own vehicle. Admitted every damage that occurs due to flooding, it costs a lot to repair. But there is not no way that can be done to save your car. The following are steps that must be considered when the car is flooded. First, the battery cable is immediately removed when the car is flooded. By removing the battery cable, it will avoid the risk of a short circuit, so that I can make the electronic components in it damaged. Second, do not start the car and just push it. The condition of the flooded car is emergency. Never try to start the engine to pull the car aside. Third, the handbrake should be deactivated immediately. The next step is immediately to deactivate your car handbrake so that the brake pads don't stick. Instead, so that the car does not move carried away by the flood currents. Use rocks to prop. 4. Don't forget to drain the gas tank. Gasoline is a risk of being mixed with flood water. This is because water that enters the tank and mixes with gasoline has the potential to interfere with the ignition system and make the gas tank porous and leak AC in the long run. 5. Dry ignition components such as spark plug and others. Some ignition components such as spark plugs, air filter, coil alternators, Delco cable, and also quite prone to damage if exposed to flooding. For that you should dry these components well. 6. Check car audio function. Flooded car often make speaker damage because most of the material are made of material that are very vulnerable to water. 7. Carpets and interior items must be inspected. The interior of a car consists of various skin, ranging from seats, carpets, door trim, and so on, which must be checked when exposed to flooding, because it could be damaged by exposure to water. 8. Run the car slowly. After you have done the above check-in, try to start the engine and listen carefully to see if the engine sound is still normal before being flooded or not. If the sound of the car engine is abnormal, you should contact the repair shop immediately. 9. Enter to the workshop and ask to check all oil. Arriving at the workshop, ask to check the condition of the oil or oil in the engine, transmission, and others. Apart from engine oil, most likely and the oil used by a car has been mixed with water when it was flooded. And oil mixed with water and damage the engine and other components. From the points above, we can find out the impact of flooding on a vehicle. It will be nice if the road we are passing through is flooded. It would be better to find a safer alternative route for our vehicle. So, many presentation for me. If there are mistake or bad word, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.